Hey guys, and welcome to Cosmic Chick. So I'm about to show you guys how this Turtle Wax interior cleaner worked for my car. Last summer I collected scooters and charged them, and they kind of damaged the headliners. So I was using this to see if I could bring it back without having to pay someone to do it for me. So stick around and see my results. So I really did like this product. While I was using it, I could see the stains coming out right before my eyes. But I am going to go over it one more time just to be certain that I got everything out. I'm going to give it a few days to let this first coat dry, and then I'm going to try it again.